Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nina. I run a blog and YouTube called Style with Nina. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning, you have amazing taste. Here we talk about luxury, beauty, fashion, travel. If any of those things, we'll travel once the coronavirus is over. But, oh wait, I ain't supposed to say that. Once the virus is gone, then we'll get back to traveling. So if any of those things interest you, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell so that you are notified of all of my amazing videos. So on today's video, well, first I want to go ahead and say, listen, I know your girl been MIA. It's been a lot going on with the coronavirus. It has took a toll on me mentally, if I'm being honest with you guys. I have not left my home in about a year. I mean, yeah, so it's just been a lot. So I decided to take the first quarter of 2021 off and, you know, get back to my creativeness. It's hard to produce content or create content when you're not able to be creative. So for all of you who were like blowing my IG up, asking me when my next video was going to be, listen, it's been a lot. So anyway, on today's video, I am going to go ahead and do a double Louis Vuitton unboxing. These things were purchased at two different times. However, they both Louis Vuitton, so we're going to go ahead and unbox them at the same time. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into it. So the first item, and y'all, you see I'm trying a new setup. I don't know how I feel about it yet. We're going to see. This is where I shoot my TikTok videos, so I just left it and said let's just see. So let me know in the comment section if you like this new setup or you prefer my old setup, if y'all know what I'm talking about. So anyway, first thing is, and this is an item that was on my 2020 wish list video, and I don't know what is what, so let me just go ahead. So this is just, my girl always sending me this cute little fragrance thing, and I'm actually wearing, I don't know if it's in this one. I'll leave in the description box which Louis Vuitton fragrance I am currently wearing. Got some samples. Decided since I'm doing an LV video, let's put on some LV fragrance. So anywho, okay, so this is the item. Hopefully I am close enough for you guys to see. I forgot to put my glasses on. I can't see nothing. So hopefully I'm close. So anyway, this was on my 2020 luxury wish list. I have opened it, and I want to say that, if I'm being honest with you guys, so it's the key holder. It's the, is this the key clay? Is this the key clay? Or the key holder? I think it's the key holder. What does it say? Wait a minute. It's been a minute since I did some videos, so y'all gonna have to, you know, I gotta get back in the swing of things. And it don't say what it is. So anyway, this is, I've been wanting this key pouch for a minute, but I refused to pay over retail for it. So one night in the middle of the night, or it may have been in the day, I don't know, I just randomly kept it in my cart. So this is a tip if you want to score things on Louis Vuitton. You put it in your cart. You have to have already purchased from them, so they have your credit card saved on file. And I just refresh that thing. I just, you know, when I have some time in the day, I just refresh it, and if it's available, boom, check out immediately. So I was able to pick this up before the I'm looking here, I should be looking here, but I was able to pick this up before the price increase. And I'm gonna be honest with you, it is, the quality sucks. Like, if I would not have gotten this from Louis Vuitton, I would think it's a knockoff. This came directly from Louis Vuitton. Just the zipper is like hard to zip, but I'm gonna show you guys in a minute why I purchased this. So we're gonna put that to the side. That's the first unboxing. And then the second unboxing is going to be, I finally got my hands on the Louis Vuitton book, the coffee table book. And you guys have been asking me to do a coffee table video. So I am working on that. It's going to be within the next few videos. So stay tuned, because I have been picking up some coffee table books. I tend to purchase one book a month so that it's just not thousands of dollars in coffee table books, but they're awesome for decorating. So got the Louis Vuitton, what is it called? The Louis Vuitton style book. I haven't even opened it up. I wanted to wait for you guys. So yeah, that is the two unboxings. So I don't know if y'all want me to open it up on camera. I don't have nothing over here to open it up. I'm unprepared or whatever. Anyway, it's the Louis Vuitton book. I bought it literally for this right here, so I can style it around my house somewhere. I don't even know where yet. But that is the second unboxing. I was able to, of course, will leave some items or some places where you can purchase this book. I was able to score this on TJ Maxx's website. Sometimes they have amazing books, sometimes they don't. I was able to score this one. I don't even remember the price. I hate when I say Ugh. But anyway, I was able to score this. And yeah, so that is the second unboxing. So let me go ahead and show you guys why I purchased, Lord have mercy. So the reason why I purchased the key holder, or coin pouch. I think it's called the coin pouch. I'm surprised it ain't in here. Wait a minute. Maybe what this thing called, y'all? It don't say. My mind is drawing a blank. Y'all know what this is. So I purchased this so that I can, and if, let me show you guys what this is. This is what? A dupe. So let me show y'all. Okay, so I got them in two colors. So I got this in, it's like an army green. So I guess this is an unboxing too. This is an unboxing. Got these from the Amazon. And I will leave a link in the description box if they are still available. But what I wanted to do, let me see if I can grab it without, oh, I can grab it without getting up. Okay, so I have this. This is the Louis Vuitton Stephen Sprouse edition Pochette Accessoires. Did I say that right? Accessoires or whatever. Did y'all hear that or whatever? So anyway, got this. And what I wanted to do is make my own version of the multi pochette. Let me see if I can open this up. So I've had this thing for a minute, so I don't know if it's still available, but I will do my best to try to locate. If I can, it'll be in the description box. If I can't, it won't. So anyway, get this so that I can make, I'm gonna have to speed this up. I can't even open this up. Jesus, the offense. Okay. So now, this is not exactly the quality of LV, but so we put that on there, whatever. I don't know if this is gonna look crazy now. This is just something I put in my head without no testing it out, testing my theory out. So instead of spending all that money on the LV, whatever that new, I don't know how to open this. How you open it? Oh, okay. I was about to say I ain't gonna be able to do it if I can't get it open. Boom. So I was like, let me just make my own ghetto version of the LV Accessoires. So I'm going to stand up so y'all can see. And I'll put in a clip with my phone. But yeah, I thought this was cute. Well, in my head, I thought it was cute. So y'all see that? The lighting is changing. So, that is my creative version of the Louis Vuitton bag that keeps getting sold out. That, yeah, I said I'd be original and have my own. So I also purchased, like I said, the strap. And for the price I paid, I doubt if the strap is vachetta leather. Doubt it very seriously. So I was able to get the pink one as well. So that'll be cute for like spring, summer. They're both cute for spring, summer. But yeah. So if you have any questions about my purchases or anything, make sure you leave those in the comment section. I'm going to make sure this video is not super long. And yeah, so stay tuned for the clip. I don't know if I'm going to put the clip on this side of me actually wearing it, or if I am going to, oh, I'm looking in the wrong spot. If I am going to put it at the end. Just y'all will see whatever I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, stay stylish, stay fabulous. Mwah.